everyone, my name is Nur Diyana from class DKA3D. My metric number is 08 DKA21F1189. Today, I want to share about the process of cleaning a table fan. The tools and material used in the cleaning process are an old damp brush, sponge, soap, a fabric softener, vinegar, and a flowing water. First of all, the table fan is disconnected from any power source. Never touch the switch with a wet hands to avoid electrocution. Next, the front table fan guard is opened by unclipping the clip. Then, the blade cape and the guard facing ring are loosened up to pull out the blades and the rear guards. Fourth, the body of the motor is brushed with an old damp brush. Later, the blades and the guards are dusted off in the sink by wiping it. After that, the remaining dirt is removed with a sponge, dipped in a solution of soap and water, covering both the front and rear of the blades and the guards. Make sure to add fabric softener and vinegar into the solution to reduce the future dust from building up quickly. In the next step, the blades and the guards are washed with flowing water until the soap came off. Ensure to close the water tap after using to avoid water wastage. Subsequently, let it dry completely under the sunlight. Last but not least, all the parts are assembled by tightening the guard fixing ring and the blade cape. At the final point, the front guard is fixed in place by clipping it on the clip. To summarize, the process of cleaning a table fan is effortless. Hence, you can do it by yourself without asking help from others. It is important for us to clean the table fan regularly to make a better ventilation in the room. That's all from me, and I hope that you guys can follow all the simple steps. Thank you for watching.